Hello! Today I want to introduce you the new VEO-CAP4U device. It is a product that offers a professional and high-quality solution to convert any content coming from an HDMI source into a USB data signal. VEO-CAP4U is a plug-and-play tool that doesn't require any previous configuration or additional power supply, making it a very intuitive and versatile device which will fit perfectly within multiple applications, such as content creators, corporate, educational, fitness centers, and all those scenarios in which it is essential to send content over the internet. VEO-CAP4U has several connectors for both video and audio features. On the one hand, it includes an HDMI In to input any HDMI source with a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 Hz. Whether it is a single element, such as a camera, a computer, or a player, or whether it is a bigger infrastructure, such as the output of a switcher or a matrix, including several other devices in the signal chain. In addition, an auxiliary HDMI loop out is also available, from which you can output a copy of the content coming from the HDMI In and route it to a local monitoring or recording system. On the other hand, it includes a USB 3.0 connector compliant with the UAC and UVC audio and video drivers respectively, from which a Full HD video stream will be outputted. When connecting the USB out to a computer, the content can be recorded, used as a source in an audiovisual production, streamed, or even shared in a video conferencing platform. Finally, we have added a section dedicated to audio management that adds a balanced mono line input with a Euroblock connector, from which any incoming audio signal can be mixed with the one present in the main signal flow. Secondly, it also includes an unbalanced stereo output with Euroblock connector as well, which will allow the audio stream to be routed to a local sound system in the event that the source HDMI signal has a soundtrack embedded. Here we have VEO-CAP4U USB capturing device, okay? Now I'm going to connect it to the PC using the USB Type-A cable that's included in the package, okay? As you can see, the green LED is lit when we connect it correctly, okay? Now, once the PC recognizes the USB driver, okay, it will begin to set up and we will be ready to use it. Now, as you can see, we can select VEO-CAP4U both as a sound input, okay, and also as a USB capturing video device.